Today is one of those really unique moments that we've all been longing for a long time, and that is just to get together, socialize, have breakfast together, and really kind of feel that esprit de corps that oftentimes you only get when you're in person. Food is that common bond that brings us together, and today people came out for the grits and the bacon and the sausage, and it was so much fun.
It's nice to see people getting together and having community and enjoying a donut or some bacon together.
It's only been like a year and a half, since we had something this big, and just to bring everybody together is really great.
It was sort of like coming back to school in the fall, like in high school where you hadn't seen anybody in so long.
The first 100 days has been really good fun, but it's been limited. I've only been able to kind of go here and there. So to have a chance where we can get together and enjoy a meal together has been, I think, tremendously rewarding.
Of course, it's a very family-oriented place. So this right here is a good way for them to get to know each other and to see what departments each other is working in.
I'm new to the university, just 3 or 4 months, so it's great to finally see somebody outside of your screen.
It's really meaningful to get to spend the time and get to know some of the newer people, like the president.
I think it's great when a president has such a presence on campus. You get that connection to be able to talk to him, ask questions, and get to know him on a more personal level.
I think people find it energizing and refreshing and are excited about it.
The energy is great. He's a great guy.
And like he says, he has an open door policy, and I think that really cements that policy.
It's really wonderful to have these opportunities again.
Maybe we'll make this a new tradition.